Hello everyone, it's Leah here again. Welcome back. In today's video I will show you more baby papers, and this time papers in blue color. I must say I am like more on a pink side, but with these papers I believe I like them better in blue color. I would like to hear your opinion about it. So which one you like better, blue or pink? I will not be talking much. I already said everything that I need to say about the papers in a previous video. So I will just start and showing you the papers. And just to remind you, I will be doing some projects with baby papers. So just come back and check if there is some if there are some more videos uploaded with baby project. So let's start with papers. So on this side I have 8.5 by 11 papers, and here I have 8 by 8 papers. When I finish showing you papers, do not go away, because I still need to show you ephemera cards and all these embellishments that go with the papers. All right, so let's start. All right, so these are papers, and all I need to show you is ephemera cards and embellishments, of course. So here it is, 21 papers with all kinds of embellishments. This is all for today. I hope you liked what you saw. I hope you like the papers, and just leave me a comment and you can let me know what you think about the papers. And of course you can subscribe to my channel, or you can like a video, and do not forget to come back for more project ideas that I will be making with these papers. So see you next time, and until then, goodbye.